Hello students, welcome to my channel WithMeEngineering. So today the topic which we are going to discuss today is finding the root value. Okay, so in order to find the root value, there are certain steps we need to follow. Okay, so let me tell you the steps. There are 4 steps basically. First step is to make the pair of the number from right to left. Okay, so when you start finding the root, you need to follow the procedure. That first is you need to make the pair of the number from right to left. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is divide the square of the same number. It means that dividing the same number. So dividing the square of the same number means that you are taking the same number. You are taking the same number to divide your quotient. Okay, so that's the second step. And the third step is to add the two numbers in divisor and dividend. So the third step is that after you are putting the values of the square of the same number, next step is to you need to add the dividend and the dividend and the divisor. Okay, so after that number whichever you will get, so further you will go with the procedure. Okay, so the fourth step why I didn't wrote right now is that let me explain this to you. After that you will be able to understand it more properly. Okay, so let's go to the one. So before I'll find the root, before finding the root value, let me tell you, I will start with the 2-digit number. Okay, so the 2-digit number first we have is 11. Okay, so what if we need to find the root value of the 11 first, right? So let me do the solution for you to find the root value first. Okay, so the solution to find the root value of the 11 is, first you need to do like this. Okay, so we'll follow the procedure. 11, and you just need to make a kind of a like this of a semi square kind of. Okay, so you need to put this first. So now let's follow the procedure. So the first step is that first make a pair of the number from right to left. So from right to left we need to make the pair. Okay, right, you understand that? Okay, so we are making the pair. So pair is that we don't have any number after the 11, so that's why we'll take the pair from right to left. So this is the pair, right? First 1 and 1, this makes a 1 pair, right? So now after we did the first step, let's go to the second. Divide with the square of the same number. It means divide with the same number of the square means, let me check. Okay, let me check. Like if I take the number 1, so I will multiply with the same number. So 1 multiplied 1 will be 1, right? So it's not even close to 11. And 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4, and even I can go more, right? So 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9, and 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. So I don't have 16 here, so I have to take number less than 11, right? So 3 multiplied 3 will be the number. 3 multiplied 3, it will be 9, right? So 3 multiplied 3 will be 9. So 9 minus 11 will be 3. Sorry, not 3, it will be 2. Okay, fine. So now what we'll do now what we will do rest now we will see that we don't have any number after 11, so we'll now put point, right? After getting the point, after putting the value point, we'll give 2 pair of 0. We have 0 after point, right? So we'll take the 2 pair from right to left. So this is my 2 pair, right? So after this we'll add this 3. As I said in third step, we'll add the 3. 3 multiplied by 3 will be 6. I hope you understood. 3 plus 3 will be 6. You will write that number here. You'll write that number here. Okay, so now after after the point we have taken the 2 pair of 0, so we'll put that point here and we'll get the 2 0 here, right? Okay, so fine. Okay, see, now again we'll follow the procedure number 3. No, not procedure number 3. Now we'll first follow the procedure again with the number 2. Okay, it says now again we have to multiply the same number to get the round value less than or around the 200, right? So if I take the value, let's see how much it comes. So the first value will be, if I multiplied with 1, so if I multiplied with 1 multiplied 1 and 1, 6, so it is not even close again. So let me do with 2 multiplied 2, so 2 multiplied 6, it will be 12, right? So again I don't have any closer number. Let's check with 3. So 3 into 3 multiplied by 6, 18. So almost we have a close number. So 3 multiplied with, let's check with 4 again. Let's just check with 4. 4 multiplied 6, 24. So it's greater, right? So I guess 3 would be fine here. Let's multiply it. So 3 multiplied 3, 9. 3 multiplied 6, 18. So it is 189, right? So it will be 1, 1, right? It will be 11, right? So now again after this, after the point you can find with, at least you can take 2 digit. 2 digit would be fine, okay? So take the 2 digit always after point. So before that, I have to add the numbers. So 3 multiplied by 63 will be 66, right? So this is my 66, which I added according to the procedure number 3. Now 11 is my number. Now again I have to do one time, because after point I need to find 2 digit, two minimal digit, right? So for that I will do 11. So now in order to divide the 11, because 66 is greater than 11, so that's why I will take here 2 0 after my point, and this is my pair, okay? From right to left, I'm taking the 2 pair, okay? So now this 2 pair will again it will come down, right? So if this 2 pair will again, if this 2 digit will be again come down, then let's check with the number. Now again I have to multiply with the same number. So if I take it 1 and 1, it will give me 1 multiplied 6. I mean, it's not close even, right? So 2 will be 2. Let's say 2 into 2, 12. So 6 into 2, 12. So it is 11 right here, 1100. So that's why I guess 1 is the right number. So 1 multiplied 1. So 1 multiplied 1, 1. 1 multiplied 6, 6. 1 multiplied 6, 6. Right? So the value I will get here is 9, 3, 4. So this is the number that I got, right? So I guess now this one, after point I just found my 2 digit minimal number. So I guess, so the answer for the root of 11 will be 3.31. So this is my answer. So this is for the 2 digit which I got my answer. This is for the 2 digit. Okay, so 3.31 is for the 2 digit. So answer is, root for the 11 is 3.31. All right. So now let's find the root value for the 3 digit. Okay, so the 3 digit will be under root of, let's take 271. So this is an imperfect root. Okay, so let's find the value, how much this comes. So again we'll follow the same procedure. 271, right? So 271. See. So now again I will pair the pair from right to left. So this is my 1 and 7 will be first pair, and other left one is just a 1. Okay, you just need to make sure that starting from right to left will take the pair. Rest of it, whatever the number left, like 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, you just make accordingly. Okay, so let's do this for the number, do for the 2 digit. Okay, so you know that 2 multiplied 2 will be 4. So not close. So I will take 1 multiplied 1 will be 1. So it will become 1. Right? So now this 2 will come down, this 2 digit 71 will come down, right? So 1 and 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay, now again I will check from here. So if I take 4 to the 8, 4 multiplied to 8, so not close. So 7, 8 to the 8. I guess 8 is somewhat close. So 8 multiplied 8 multiplied to 60, right? So 16, but I guess 8 is also not close, because 8 multiplied by 8 will be 64. So it will go more even wider with the number, right? So let's go with I guess 6 is the number. 6 to 12. So 6 6 are 36. 6 and 3, 6 to the 12. Yeah, 6 6 36 3 and 6 to the 12 15. So 156, right? It will be 5. And it will 6 1, right? So okay, so 15 is my now quotient, right? So again after the point also I need to check, right? This is not my, again I did not form, so I need to get the further, I need to do the further. So if I take the point, then there is 2 zeros, right? So if I take this 2 0 down, then point will go up, right? So now 6 plus 6 6 multiplied by 26, how much it will become? It will become 32, right? This will become 32. So now let's do this for the 1500 by 32. Okay, see, so the first number I will try with 6. 6 is not, I guess let's try with 3. So if I do it with 3 to the 12, so almost the number is there, but let's check with 4 once. Okay, so let's check with the 4. 4 threes are 12. I guess 4 is more valid, so let's do with 4. 4 is the number, I guess. Okay, because 5 threes are 15, but there is other number, so it will become more greater than 1500. So 4 threes are 4 fours are 16 and 1 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9 4 threes are 12. So this is my number. Okay, so if I subtract this, I will get 4 0 and 2. So 204 I got the number. So add again 4 with 324. So if I add this, I will get 328, right? So again I will get 20 here. After my digit, there is all 20. So I will get this 20 again. So now let's multiply 328 with, let's check how much closer to the number I get. So from there, let's check with this one 324. So let's check with this 5. Let's check, because if I do with 5 multiplied by 3, 15. So 15 almost there, but let's check with 6 now. If I multiply 6 with 3, 6 3s are 18. So I guess 6 is the number, I guess. Okay, so let's do with 6, because 7 3s are 21, so it will greater than 21. So I need less than 20, but or equal to 20. Okay, so that's what I'm finding. So 6 into 6, 36, and 3, 48, 1. So 51 and 5, and 6 to the 12. Okay, so 12, 7 and 1, and 6 to 18, 119. So this is what the number go. So if I subtract this, I will get 4 and 8 and then 3, and it will become 6 and then 0 and 0. Okay. So finally the number which I got is after 2 digits. See, this is what I number got, right? So the value for under root of 271 is equal to 16.46. So this is my answer, right? So I hope you are clear to find how to find the root value, and this is valid for perfect and imperfect root, both of it, as I told you. Okay, and so if you have any doubt on this, anywhere else, if you find any doubt, then please let me know. On the description I will add the steps to find the root value also. Okay, so if you have any query and if you have any suggestion to me, any topics you want to understand more, then please let me know. I will make a video on that. Okay, thank you very much.